We recently talked about meditation on our channel. Did you watch this video? If you want to know more about this millenary practice that has taken the West by storm, watch the suggested video. Do you meditate or know someone who does? For many people, this practice may seem weird, and some still think that this is a habit only for people who have a lot of time to spend, or for someone who doesn't have anything else to do. But actually, to meditate is to train your mind. But do you know what meditation is? Many still have the wrong idea that meditating is to stop thinking, but that's not true. Actually, not thinking about anything is very hard, almost impossible. The word meditation comes from the Latin meditare, which means to turn oneself inside and turn off from the external world. Meditation has to do with focusing on and observing our feelings. Interesting, isn't it? People in the Orient practiced meditation for thousands of years because they believe it brings peace of mind and knowledge about ourselves. See 7 amazing benefits that meditation brings to your life. Improves immunity. Colds, flu, infections, and other health issues are common in your life? Then your immune system probably is needing some help to work better. Meditation can help you with that, since it improves the way people deal with stress and anxiety and increases wellness. Develops focus. Meditation develops focus and concentration. With it, we learn how to turn our focus to simple things, like our breathing or the parts of our bodies. Thoughts are constantly crossing our minds, but this practice teaches you how to regain your attention back as soon as you notice it was wandering. Contributes to memory. Did you know that meditating restructures the brains both neurochemically and brain function? So it is possible to train your brain to have better logical thinking, more cognitive flexibility, and improve the quality of your mental health. Improves your relationships. Because it helps us balance all the points above, meditation brings a lighter reflection with fewer judgments. When we slow our thoughts, we can respond better and more rationally to other people's attitudes and solve issues more simply. We also learn how to respect different ideas. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Reduces stress and anxiety. Meditating regularly helps you stay calm and relaxed, which helps a lot with anxiety. Meditation puts you in balance with your feelings and helps you control them. Also, it helps control blood pressure by calming us down, which consequently reduces stress. Improves quality of sleep. Did you know that the main causes of insomnia are anxiety and stress? An agitated mind can make your nights less relaxing. Meditating contributes to reducing your insomnia, fatigue, and depression, and also helps you enjoy a night of deep and restorative sleep. Contributes to weight loss. Although meditation itself is not responsible for burning calories, it can help you control your weight. It happens because even your gastrointestinal system is benefited by the practice. Also, according to a study by the University of California, USA, the levels of cortisol and stress are reduced when we meditate. And these two are just the ones with a direct link to the production of belly fat. Isn't it interesting? Did you know these 7 benefits that meditation offers to the mind and the body? Talk about it with your friends and add this practice to your life if you want to enjoy these benefits. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.